Look, boy, I know I did wrong, and I'm truly sorry. I put you in humiliating commercials for money which I spent on myself. I just wish I had an opportunity to make things right.
Mr. Simpson, I like the way you handled yourself on that board. Would you like to do a commercial for us?
Anything, as long as I can give the money to my son.
Excellent. I represent Viagrogane, the topical rub for bald, impotent men.
Well, I am bald and important. Where do I sign?
Oh, Steve, you're everything a girl could want. What's your secret?
Well, Kathy, I'll tell you. It's Viagrogane. It gives you lots of hair and what you need down there. What are you waiting for, loser?
Possible side effects include loss of scalp and penis.
What did he say about my scalp?
Don't worry, Dad. It's just a commercial. No one will remember this in 50 years.